Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our students got placed in a company, so he is going to share his experience.
Okay, myself Vatsal here. I'm from SKP College of Engineering. I got placed, and most ofly when I joined PySpiders, what my initial classes starting was all manual testing classes. It was taken by Niranjan sir and Pradeep Babu sir. And after these classes, Python was taken by Kishore sir and Selenium was taken by Lakshmi sir. And these classes were helped me to crack the interview. How it was actually helping me to crack the interview was that we were having presentation classes. After presentation, we were also having a mock interview, mock sessions. These presentation mock sessions helped me get myself familiar with the subject and also helped me to face the interview in a more performance way and professional way, such that the interviewer will also be impressed with my skills and with where I am presenting myself and where I am showcasing my talents and knowledge. These things will help me getting placed in the company.
Okay, so congratulations. Thank you.